It's the unofficial fruit of summer, the star of every picnic and backyard barbecue. We love it because it's delicious. But what if I told you that watermelon is one of the most powerful, misunderstood superhydrators in the produce aisle? That saying, a slice of watermelon a day keeps dehydration away, isn't just a catchy phrase. It's backed by some seriously juicy science. Today, we're slicing past the seeds and the rind to uncover the whole truth about watermelon. It's not just sugar and water. This fruit is a hydration powerhouse, a nutrient secret weapon. And yes, we're even going to talk about that thing everyone whispers about. Can it really improve your romantic life? Let's dive in. Let's start with the obvious. Watermelon is about 92% water. But calling it just water is like calling the ocean just damp. This isn't plain H2O. It's structured, electrolyte-rich living water packaged with fiber. When you eat watermelon, you're not just drinking water. You're consuming it in a slow-release system. The fiber helps your body absorb the fluid more efficiently and maintain hydration longer than gulping a glass of water. Plus, it contains natural electrolytes like potassium and magnesium, the very same minerals you find in sports drinks, but without the artificial colors and sugar. For athletes, for people working in the heat, or for anyone who struggles to drink enough water. A few slices of watermelon can be a game changer for fighting off dehydration, muscle cramps, and that sluggish heat-induced fatigue. It's nature's ultimate sports drink, with a built-in spoon. Here's a fact that blows people's minds. Watermelon contains more lycopene than raw tomatoes. Lycopene is that powerful antioxidant that gives red fruits and veggies their color. And it's linked to some incredible health benefits. While tomato lycopene becomes more bioavailable when cooked, watermelon's lycopene is ready to go, raw and fresh. This antioxidant is a fierce defender of your cells. Studies suggest it plays a key role in heart health, helping to lower blood pressure and bad cholesterol. Skin protection, acting as a natural internal sunscreen, protecting your skin from UV damage. Cancer prevention research shows diets rich in lycopene may be associated with a lower risk of certain cancers, like prostate cancer. So, that red flesh isn't just for show. It's a vibrant armor, fighting for your health with every sweet, crunchy bite. All right, let's address the elephant in the room. You've heard the rumor, the wink-wink, nudge-nudge stories about watermelon and performance. Where does this come from? Science, actually, but with a big, juicy asterisk. Watermelon is the richest known dietary source of an amino acid called citrulline. In your body, citrulline converts into arginine, which then helps produce nitric oxide. Nitric oxide's job to relax and dilate blood vessels, improving blood flow. Improved blood flow is good for circulation, heart health, and yes, it can aid in erectile function, which is where the Viagra comparison comes from. However, and this is a huge however, you would need to consume a truly massive amount of watermelon, like an entire large melon in one sitting to get a pharmacological effect. The real practical benefit. That citrulline is a proven recovery aid for athletes. It reduces muscle soreness, improves oxygen delivery during exercise, and helps flush lactic acid. So while it might not be a magic love potion, it is a legitimate, natural performance and recovery booster for your workouts. We've all done it, meticulously picked out the black seeds, sawed off the thick rind, and tossed 40% of the fruit straight into the compost. Stop, you're throwing away gold. First, the seeds. Modern seedless watermelons still have soft, white, edible seeds packed with nutrients like iron, zinc, and protein. Eat them, the old-fashioned black seeds. You can roast them with a little salt for a crunchy, nutritious snack. They're like tiny, delicious pumpkin seeds. Now, the rind. This is the biggest hidden treasure. The white and light green part of the rind is where the citrulline concentration is actually highest, even more than in the red flesh. You can pickle it, a southern delicacy. Blend it into smoothies, it's very mild, or juice it. It's a zero-waste nutrient bomb you've been ignoring. With all this praise, we have to talk about the elephant, or should I say, the melon in the room. Sugar. Watermelon has a high glycemic index, meaning its sugars are absorbed quickly. This can be a concern for people monitoring blood sugar. But here's the critical nuance. It has a low glycemic load. This means a standard serving doesn't actually contain a huge amount of carbohydrate. The fiber and water content help moderate the blood sugar spike. The key is portion control and pairing. Don't sit down and eat half a melon by yourself. Have a couple of slices, pair it with a source of protein or healthy fat like a handful of nuts or some feta cheese. Trust me, it's delicious. This combo slows absorption and turns a potential sugar spike into a sustained energy release. So, is a slice of watermelon a day a magic bullet? Not quite. But is it a delicious, powerful, and hydrating addition to a healthy diet? Absolutely. It's a multitasking marvel, a hydration station, an antioxidant fortress, a recovery aid, and a lesson in zero-waste eating, all in one striped package. The old adage got it half right. A slice of watermelon a day won't necessarily keep the doctor away, but it might just keep dehydration, muscle soreness, and nutrient deficiency at bay and make your taste buds incredibly happy in the process. If this made you see your summer fruit in a whole new light, do me a favor. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tasty truths. Now, I'm curious, what's your favorite way to eat watermelon? Are you a classic slice purist, a fancy salad maker, or a brave rind pickler? Share your best watermelon hack in the comments below. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have a date with a very large slice. Thanks for watching.